What is up, everybody? I'm out here in the rain with the Exfil-48 backpack from Biltwell, and I just want to say thank you to Gaylord Cycles for sponsoring this video and making this possible. Well, if you guys know me, I don't treat my stuff very nicely. I want to test it out. So that's why I'm not inside of my house or a studio or anything showing you, hey guys, what's inside here? What does this look like? I'm out here in the rain. This is mile 9 on this backpack. I hiked 5 miles yesterday, and I got 4 miles today, and I've ridden about 70 miles with this backpack, so I have a little bit of experience with this, but this is just a preview, and if you want to see more, please stay tuned. All right, so now we're going to jump into it. We're actually going to test a little bit of the waterproofing, because it does have waterproof zippers. Now I'm going to take some pictures of all this stuff so you guys can have a closer look, but there's zippers on the side, and when I say waterproof, they're more like water resistant, but still very good. I like that. It has MOLLE attachment, so you can attach whatever you want. I actually have a first aid kit that has a MOLLE attachment. I'm actually trying to figure out where I'm going to put it. Now right here we got some big clips. Now this is actually meant so you can put like I got my dog right here. This is actually meant to where you can put like a jacket or a blanket roll, and you can actually, you know, attach it. So if you're going to go out for a camp out, you got it right there. Now this is the one thing that really got it to where I wanted to get this thing. I wanted to get this because of this right here. Let me open it up for you. Now I just threw in a bunch of tools because I wanted to see how heavy it felt, but see, I got a bunch of tools in here, got my nasal spray but I left this one in here because there's little slots for specific tools, maybe for your bike, so I don't have to carry this whole thing. I could just pull this out and I have a tool slot right here. It's so awesome. Also, there's little pockets right here. Like I said, I'm gonna take a bunch of pictures of this so you guys can have more of a close look, but there's pockets in here. There's a bunch of pockets, and it's not like it's not like a mesh fabric type thing. It's a legit, if it gets a little bit messed up or you have a little bit of oil, it's easy to clean off. So that's right there, and the cool thing is it's orange. Now a lot of you guys are like, man, why is it orange? Well, orange is so that you can actually see your black tool nice and easy against the contrasting color. I think that's badass. All right, so we got that open. This right here is so you can attach it to your sissy bar. Now I'll do more on that when I actually test that out, so stay tuned for that video. This top one is to where you can hold more of the delicate stuff, okay? So we have a pocket right here, and it has that nice fabric in here, so you can put some sunglasses or your phone or whatever. Now for me personally, I'll put like my camera equipment in here if I have to go do anything like that. So that's what I have that there. Now this is the main pocket. Now I got my jacket. It's actually getting a little chilly out since it's raining and I'm not moving. Hey Stella, don't do that. She's all moving herself in the dirt. I got another jacket in here, but you got this big old pocket, huge pocket. Now inside here, I'll talk about this. This is where you put your water bottles. You can actually unclip that so it actually comes out, so you can actually have a bigger spot for your water bottles. But right here, this is a laptop case. Now, I personally am not gonna bring my laptop because my laptop is a pretty big laptop. I haven't tested it out, but I will for the review. But here's the thing, is what I usually do is I put like paperwork. So if I have to go somewhere, like let's say the post office, I'll go ahead and grab some paperwork. So I actually got my MSF Advanced Rider Course packet. This is where I actually took the backpack and I rode all the way to the course. And see, this is the great thing about it, is that you can just put some nice stuff in here, and it's padded. Also, the cool thing about these little straps, you can actually strap it around the laptop so the laptop's not bouncing around. Hopefully the phone doesn't fall out. It's starting to get a little windy. So now, off to the sides. Now this is just a quick little demonstration, guys. Nothing crazy. Off to the sides, I'm gonna go ahead and unclip this so you have a better look. And like I said, I'll take pictures. You have this zipper. Now this zipper is water resistant. It has like that special water resistant cover on it. And right here, you can actually put in a water bottle or a metal gas can in here. And it takes up on the inside. Now, if you don't want to use any of that stuff, if you just want to kind of like leave it alone, that's what that flap was. You can actually strap it down so it's out of the way. But you get plenty of room, a lot of cool stuff in here, and I really like it. Now let's go to the back. So the back where obviously you're wearing, massive padding up on the shoulders towards the lower lumbar section, and then like right on your sacrum, which is down next to your pelvis. right here, and it gives you a lot of airflow. So you got these nice little ridges for some airflow. Think about the tires. When the tires have that tread, water and everything will go around. The dog's just chilling right there. Such a good girl. Nice padded shoulder straps, and it has a chest strap. It has a really nice chest strap. Whenever you get a motorcycle backpack or you get any backpack and you're gonna go riding with it, you need a chest strap. That way the shoulder straps don't fly off when you turn and do a head check. You need to have a shoulder or a chest strap. That's why I'm really glad that they included this. It's very smart of them. Plus, it's adjustable. You can move it up or you can move it down. I personally like to move it all the way down and then kind of keep the backpack loose and let it kind of sit as a passenger on the seat. So that's what I do. And man, it's comfy. It really is. It's got some MOLLE stuff here so you can attach a knife or whatever it is you want to do. I don't know. But a lot of cool things, and like I said, there is a sissy bar attachment, so that's what these straps are for. I'm not going to be able to do that test right now because I'm out here hiking and walking around. But there's so much more, so much awesome stuff, guys. There's some lightning going on. I got to get out of here, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick heads up on the backpack right here. This is from Get Lowered Cycle, so thank you once again. But this is the Biltwell Exfil-48. I'll do more videos on this. If you have any questions, please write it in the comments. With that said, hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'll see you later. Oh yeah, boy! What are you doing, Stella? What are you doing, you weirdo?